Hi, welcome back to our monthly vlog. Back to give you more information on what's been going on at AFG the last month or so. There's been two new additions to the staff. We've got Marta back with us, who's a second year law student at Manchester University. She worked with us last summer and she's back with us this summer, and she's fluent in Polish. So since coming back, she's been able to help Emma on a number of Polish cases, and that's worked out really successfully, and that's something we're hoping to develop further with Marta's assistance. And we've also got a new full-time member of staff called Rebecca, and she's joined me and Rianne in the property and private client department. So we're expanding and hopefully become busier and more efficient with Rebecca having joined.
Yeah, they've been both welcomed additions to the firm, and we actually launched our after-hours event at the end of April, and that was really successful. A number of staff came from the office, including a number of paralegals, so it was nice for them to actually meet some of the people we work with in the community. We had a talk about employers' rights, and that was from Elizabeth Cooper, who's a barrister at St John's Buildings. It was extremely successful, and I think that's something we're going to continue to develop in the future. Yeah,
we're going to pick 2 or 3 key topics and host seminars for local businessmen or members of the community, and just to try and give them more information about what's happening with legal events. Big news from us is that Emma's been shortlisted in the annual Legal Aid Awards in the newcomers category, and there's only 3 finalists out of thousands of entrants, and that's the awards being held on the 1st of July in London, so we're going to go down there and hopefully celebrate Emma's victory.
Hopefully. It should be really exciting either way. Very proud to have been nominated, and the support that I've had from AFG has been very welcome. Oh, great.
That's good. The Bolton office have launched for the last couple of months a drop-in clinic from 5 to 6 on a Wednesday evening. Initially it was just for the family department, but property have also joined that now, and civil litigation and personal injury are also going to join in a month or so. So anybody can drop in between 5 and 6 on a Wednesday evening for some free advice on any of those areas. So hopefully that's something that will continue to develop, and people from Bury, Bolton, wherever can turn up and get some free advice.
The feedback that we've had has been really good. A number of clients have attended and found it very useful. So on that basis, we've actually launched a free grandparents drop-in clinic, which is going to take place on the last Tuesday of every month, the first session being on the 30th of June. More information will be below on this vlog, but we're hoping that's going to be successful, because we've got in partnership and in touch with the Grandparents Association, of whom we are members. So hopefully it won't just be limited to people or residents who live in Bury, but the wider area as well.
Yeah, that's good. And then the Best of Bury have launched, or are launching their first Bury Business Fair, and that's taking place on the 18th of June. It's an all-day event. It's at the Drill Hall in Bury. We've got a stall there, so it'd be great to see you all there, and it's an opportunity for us and other local businesses to promote themselves to a wider audience. I think Best of Bury are hoping for over 1,000 delegates and attendees, so it should be a really, really big event, so I hope to see you all there.
Yeah, and from a social perspective, we've been doing a lot for charity again. It's something that we're very keen of AFG giving back to the community.
Hashtag,
yeah, follow that through. I've attended with a number of employees from AFG some events to support Super Josh. They've included the Bury Fit Beer Festival. They've also included Woodstock, which was a mini sort of show carnival, where a number of bands were present. We've also spent 2 days in the Park Life Music Festival, where we've raised quite a lot of money, but it was good fun as well. I've also participated in Rat Race, which was a 20-mile, 200 obstacle course. I had a lot of bruises following that, but it was good fun. And also Home Start, which is another charity which we support. I ran the Manchester 10K for that with Heather, who also works with us at AFG Law and is based in the Bolton office. And we also are having a summer social to follow the AFG After Hours, and that's on the 23rd of July of this year. It should be good fun, and everyone's looking forward to that.
Yeah, the summer social is really an excuse for Emma to celebrate her forthcoming 30th birthday, and she's promised to do a very special dance that she's been learning all about in recent exercise classes, so I would recommend everybody turn up and see Emma doing her birthday dance.
It should be good fun. Looking forward to it.
So I think that's it for this month, so we'll be back next month.
Thank you.